Yeah, so we're hanging out at the New Kudu Golf Club. We got the ladies behind us who are our caddies. They're fantastic. They're not making fun of us at the game.
So, hang on, whoa. They're laughing behind our backs.
They're talking behind our backs and laughing, and we can't understand what they're saying. So I assume that they're making fun of how bad a golf game we're having. But we are having an excellent time here. It's a beautiful golf club. So as you can see, and into the wind. It seems every hole is into the wind. But we'll keep you updated as how the round is.
Free drop!
Free drop!
Oh yeah!
Back! Oh no!
Oh, hey! She put it on a tee for you.
Send it home, big fella.
Oh.
Enoch Sakali.
There?
How are you enjoying the week?
I'm having a wonderful time.
Yeah, what's the occasion?
Was my birthday, 50,
Yeah,
and that's about the score I got in golf today.
you're loving
Not too
it?
bad at all. Loving it. Loving it.
Very happy?
Very, very happy.
Let's have a look over the edge. Down the coast, down the cliff.
Water.
Glass area below. Glass area below. Hopefully it's all glued nicely.
So that was the 180 bar.
It's a fair bloody walk up.
A lot of stairs. Whew. Down to the water. I'm out of shape. I'm also might possibly be drunk. Get one last view of all right, boys, review of the 180 bar. How was it?
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Yeah?
Look, I'm never one to go through the self-aggrandizement process, but all right.
Steve-O, how was the 180 bar?
I thought the rear views were pretty good, and some of the front views were pretty good, and the pool, especially the clear bottom, was there. A lot of bottoms, very good.
Going to the rock bar. What do you guys think? Pretty cool so far?
Well,
This is a world famous spot. And no wonder why. We are at the Rock Bar. I'm falling over my dress, so check it out. 5,000 followers coming behind me. Run.